video, I'm going to teach you a little bit more about multiplication with rational exponents. So if we have a problem like this that says simplify and assume all variables are positive. Okay, so here we have what we need to simplify. We have y to various different powers, and they're all fractional, and some are negative and some are not. So the first step is to notice that we have the same base here. So when multiplying powers with the same base, we just add the exponents. So let's simplify this right away. We could just take y and put it to the power of all these added together. Okay, so now simplify the exponent by finding a common denominator. The least common denominator of 4 and 2 is 4. So we could see the denominator is either 4 or 2. So the least common is 4 for these. Okay, so let's just work with the exponent right now. Okay, so let's put them all with their common denominators of 4. So negative 3/4 stays the same. 3 over 2 becomes 6 over 4. Negative 7 over 2 becomes negative 14 over 4. And 1 over 4 just stays the same. So now we could just simply add everything together and we end up with negative 10 over 4. So we could simplify that fraction and it becomes negative 5 over 2. So finally, this big huge expression becomes y to the negative 5 over 2. Or you can write it because the negative means that this goes into the denominator. It just means 1 over y to the 5 over 2. And that's it. That's how you simplify that expression. And that's all there is to it. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook that you could download. And in there, you'll find a link to this video. You could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, you'll find links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. You could check those out if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.